Welcome back to the show. If your neck area is bothering you, maybe showing some signs of aging, Utah Facial Plastics is here to help.
And Alfie is a nurse injector here to talk about non-surgical neck rejuvenation treatments in the sponsored interview. Hello, Alfie.
Hi, it's good to see you guys.
Okay, so the neck area, that is an area where people kind of focus in on if you're aging. It's kind of where it starts to sag, starts to wrinkle, and you're saying that there's non-surgical treatments available.
There's quite a bit. Obviously, we want to do sun damage control for like lasers, skincare at home, but there's also some treatments that we can do as far as fillers, collagen stimulators, threads, like soft threads to help tighten and tone the neck.
Alfie, I think people forget sometimes is whatever you're putting on your face,
Yes.
you should be putting down on your neck.
Yes.
How far down on your neck?
All down through décolleté.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, so what are some telltale signs of aging on the neck?
You know, like crepey skin, laxity in the skin, these bands that come down, you'll see they're called platysma bands. Those are some signs of aging that are easily treated with non-surgical treatments.
What would you start with first? Is it Botox? Is it something else?
It really depends on the patient. That's why we have you come in and get a consult. Some people will take you straight to surgery, but most people, you know, we'll give you a few things to do at home, and then we'll go through the options of regular hyaluronic acid filler, collagen stimulating filler that's a little more permanent, Botox, a combination of the two, a combination of three. There's a lot we can do.
Is tech neck really a thing?
Tech neck's a thing.
Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
And what does it look like? We're all putting our head down, looking at our iPads, looking at our phones.
It's these bands that go across here. See these lovely lines?
So you're getting lines,
Yeah.
like right here. It's why I have a turtleneck on. It's true. And you've been injecting for how long now?
Over 8 years.
And you're seeing this more than you have before?
Yeah, I think people are paying attention to it more. It's always been a big issue, but we have more things to treat it now as well. Our collagen stimulators have come a long way. So is our hyaluronic acid. So we're just able to put them in a lot more places and make it look really natural. And we've seen amazing results with all of them.
Well, speaking of results, I think there was a picture of a before and after some type of treatment. What did this woman have?
So this is hyperdilute radius. So this is a collagen stimulating filler. It's put in like a filler, and then it basically over time stimulates your own collagen. We usually have to do a couple treatments of that. That's just after one.
That's an incredible difference just after one. Alfie, so many of us have sun damage in that area. I know that I do. Laser resurfacing, does that also help?
Yes, laser resurfacing is great, and they've come out with such amazing lasers. The Moxie's one of my new favorite things.
I love the Moxie.
Yeah.
So just remember, when you say, I want to do that, don't stop here.
Yeah, no, all the way. All the way.
But I mean, let's go. Let's take it down.
Go everywhere.
But I've done my hands.
Yes.
With the Moxie, because that's also another
look at how
spot
pretty they look.
that you see aging is the backs of your hands.
It's unnecessary. Who needs to age?
No, we don't want that.
No, we're fighting it every step of the way, aren't we?
Our minds are growing. That's all we need.
So you have great specials right now just to entice everybody to come in, everyone. It's Mother's Day, so they have a Botox gift card that you can purchase, 10% off gift cards if you spend more than $150. UtahFacialPlastics.com. You can also find them on Instagram. They're posting all the time with Saray and I because Alfie is our favorite. They have locations in Layton and Draper. If people are saying to you, I've just never tried this before, I've never come in, how do you make them feel better?
I mean, we just talk about it. You don't have to do anything that day. We'll just talk about what we think you need. We can do baby steps. We can do a little baby treatment and then come in several times.
And you'll be hooked.
Yeah, that's the biggest issue is you're going to want to keep doing it.
But what I love too is there's a game plan. You go in for a consult, you feel comfortable, and the doctor makes sure that you do feel comfortable with every step of the way.
And makes you feel like you.
Yeah,
it's
we
about
want you to feel good about you and the process as well.
That's the difference with Utah Facial Plastics. Our thanks to them for this sponsored interview, and our thanks to Alfie for coming in on the show. Good to see you, my friend.
You look gorgeous too.
Thank